chat. You ever schedule a stream on YouTube for 5:50 p.m. and then at exactly 5:50 p.m. your stomach starts rumbling bad? So we'll see how this goes. I may have to transition to commercial break if I keep having bodily functions. We'll see how it goes. Welcome to the stream. We're going to start off by thanking Carrot Cake. You can find them on Twitter at the handle that you can see on the screen here. So them, as well as I think there was another dude, Tux User, I believe. They have developed this exploit for the Xbox One. If you're not aware, it's a kernel exploit, which means it has the potential to be juicy. It's not juicy yet because it's brand new and you can't really do anything with it yet other than this command prompt that you see right here. But you can kind of read that there. It says Microsoft Windows version 10 point whatever. That's not my computer. That's what the Xbox is reporting back, which is super interesting. I mean, it's kind of a well-known fact that the Xbox One just kind of runs Windows, just like a horrific stripped-down version. But it just reports itself as Microsoft Windows. It's kind of wacky. Let's see what chat's saying. Among Us, Taco Bell, juiced it up, baby girl. Okay. I see chat is here tonight for sure. Never change. Except for specifically right now, because I don't know what I should be running. So, those with a higher than room temp IQ in the chat, I would like your help today to see interesting stuff on here. Oh, there's supposed to be music. Hold on. Do you guys have the music now? Can you try to run Notepad? Okay, so we're not going to really be able to run programs for the most part. Also, I'd have to find a way to get said programs onto the Xbox, and it's not like I can exactly just drag and drop here. All I've got is this terminal. That is it. Let me make sure the Xbox doesn't go to sleep. It'd be 3 a.m. What are you doing? BBC in Wales 2020. If you're not from the UK, that your username means something else. The Xbox has several different drives that serve wildly different functions. A lot are going to be in C as it's still Windows, but you're just going to have to try letters. Yeah, I hooked up the hard drive to my PC earlier because I made a disk image before doing this because the likelihood of screwing something up, I don't know if it's high because I can probably do my best not to screw something up, but if anyone does a little trolling and we delete System32, I want to have a backup. So I have a backup of the hard drive, so if we nuke it, that's fine. But we'll see. Will I install SteamOS on it? When the time comes, absolutely, my friend. Absolutely. Does it detect any USB devices when you load the Xbox One up with a USB in? Maybe, actually. I'm not sure. We can try that later. Okay, so let's see. Let's just get in here and start poking around, I guess. Let's see. So we're on S. Oops, caps lock. So here's the S directory, I guess, on the Xbox. Oh, you can see like program files. Apps, Windows. There's a Windows directory. This is so cursed. Like, we all know it's Windows. They said it's Windows. It's Windows. But, like, seeing it with my own eyeballs on my own command prompt on my own Xbox is... That's so weird. Oh, it's so strange. Let me try and... Oh, did you guys get music, by the way? I forgot to actually look when I asked you to tell me. Okay. I'm gonna try and put chat right next to the window so I can actually see what you guys are saying. Yes to music. We are go. Delete Edge. All right, boys. Whoa, tab doesn't work. Well, it works in like the way you would expect tab to work in like a text editor, but it does not autocomplete. Windows apps, huh? Whoa. Hold on. Let's see if we can format this a little. Okay, this is not really better, but at least you can kind of see what's happening now. Oh, there's a bunch in here. Okay. Konstantin Tarasenko. No clue what that is. Trying to do this in a way that I can still see chat while also doing this, because this is so interesting. It's going to take all my attention. I need to remember you guys are here with me in the room. Is chat with me in the room right now? Konstantin Tarasenko. No clue what that is. Task list, please. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry, chat member. Let's go back up here. BO3 submission. This is also just a standard retail Xbox One X that we're running this on, by the way. Destiny 2. Yeah, I do have a few games installed. Destiny 2, Halo 5 Guardians, Dolby Vision for Xbox. These all have like an alternate file path here. Look at this, like X apps. Wonder what that's all about. Hold on. There will be time. There will be time to where I'll ask you guys what we should run, and I'm gonna jot it all down on a notepad. So let me just take a look at these real fast, and then we'll do that. So we got Halo 5 Guardians. Microsoft advertising. We'll have to delete that one. AV1 video extension. Captures. Cloud experience. Adaptive streaming client. Xbox ads launcher. We're deleting that one. Microsoft Edge. Stable. Impossible. That's going. We're going to copy that one to the old clipboard. All right. Lots of .NET. Store engagement, store purchases, Storify. Quite a bit of monetization here. Did you expect any less? Xbox Dev Home. Wonder what that is. I'm also not super well versed in like dev mode on the Xbox One. I know that that's like a thing already, but I haven't really messed with it all that much, so I might get excited about nothing sometimes here. Xbox Live TV. Xbox Ubi. That's the out-of-box experience. I'm sure that's like the setup thing. Services, settings, TV settings. Xbox Care. I can't believe it. Obama took away my Xbox Care. Xbox devices, Xbox events, Xbox identity provider, X Cloud console. Microsoft Corporation 2. Microsoft 2. When's it dropping? When's the Xbox 2 coming out? Move packages. Prey. I have Prey installed. Splinter Cell. This is a original Xbox back compat game. So that's interesting. I've heard some rumors that we're able to dump some of these packages. And then since this is just Windows, there's a way to just run them. Which includes the built-in Xbox emulator and Xbox 360 backwards compatible emulator. So that's kind of sick. how like legal that is to do. If you dump it yourself, obviously, you know, it's no big deal. Which is why I'm excited that I have a system capable of doing this. If you want to learn how you can do this yourself, actually, it's probably way too goddamn late for you. You had to have this all like set up like a month ago. Check out Mr. Mario 2011, I think was his full username, and Modded Warfare on YouTube. It might not be too late, but I think it's too late. I'm pretty like 99% sure it's too late to set this up if you haven't already done it. Alt video player, broadcast setup, dashboard, Discord component, editorial host, guide. Huh. That would be so cursed to just run some of these things on Windows 11. It's not as simple as just double-clicking stuff. But maybe someday it will be. Xbox Shell Framework, Xbox Sign-In, Storage Management, Trial Overlay, Upsell. That one's going. I don't need to be upsold on my Xbox. Video Player, WebView Launcher, Xmap, X-Dash Launcher, Xion Release. What does it mean? Interesting. These all say Junction. And then these are Directory. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe they're like symlinks or something? I don't know. Okay, anyway. Let me switch over now to Sublime, where we can write down all the interesting things that we discover today. I don't think we've discovered anything too interesting yet. I know things I'd like to do, but they're not things I've discovered. Yo. Congratulations, Overgaming. You just got gifted a membership. You did nothing for that, and now it's yours. How does that feel? Probably feels pretty good. Thank you for that, Clay McGranahan. Okay. WSL install? Oh, that's cursed. I heard somebody got Remote Desktop installed. Like the Windows version of Remote Desktop installed onto the Xbox. That's kind of cool. Okay. So I'm going to open another tab. And we'll just, we'll save this one as... Actually, no, we'll just make it the same tab. Interesting discoveries. Clay's at it again. Another gifted sub. Insane. I guess it's not gifted subs on YouTube, is it? It's gifted memberships. I'm a real internet man. I know the difference. And then we'll do things. Things to try. Okay, so I don't think we've really discovered anything too interesting yet. There's stuff that's piquing my interest, but nothing I really feel like writing down. So, okay, things to try. This is within reason, so please understand the limitations we're working in. You just pretend like we have a brand new, fresh install of Windows 10 with like nothing on it, like the government edition or whatever. And we have no internet connection, by the way. It's not connected to the internet. Okay, we're not deleting Edge. I don't want to nuke the install. I do not desire. This guy just gifted 5 Bringus Studios memberships? I didn't even know I installed this. I didn't know I enabled gifted memberships. Okay, I appreciate it. Cool. People are getting to see stuff early now. That's neat. Dump the whole OS. I don't know how I would do that. I don't know how to like send files back and forth. Because we just have a terminal. It's just a netcat session. That's all it is. Let me put that back. Okay. We'll run ipconfig all. Why not? Just cause. Yes, we'll do format. That sounds fantastic. I want to see if disk part works. Oh, yeah. See if I can use a flash drive. Plug in a flash drive and see what... see if it shows up. 10 memberships! My brothers in Christ. Very nice. I appreciate that. 9H8X. My goodness. Every time I stream, there's like 100,000 subs in between the times that I stream. And so people just... I just start getting like billions of people watching these streams and I'm like, oh. How many people are watching right now? 780 people? What time is it for you guys? I'm in a late time zone. So it's only like 6 p.m. for me. You guys are like staying up past your bedtime to watch this. I'm telling Mom. Play Among Us. I can't. I can't. I have no internet. No internet. That is something that you Gen Z kids can't possibly fathom. Let me say it again. No internet. Explore the other partitions on the drive. I want this one above this one. Okay. Need to look around more in the partitions. Xbox has a lot of them. C contains main system. X, Y, and Z are game app installations. That's interesting because the original Xbox, if I recall, is... I don't know if it was similar by default, but I know when you mod them, you got a bunch of partitions for different stuff. I think... So what do we got to do? Just go to disk part to see all the partitions? Is there an easier way? I could just start guessing letters. No disk part. There's no reason there would be disk part. I imagine they removed a lot of stuff. 20... What is this costing you? You're gifting out of house and home, my friend. Oh my goodness. There's gonna be a lot of people in the credits of all my upcoming videos because of this single guy. Did you just do another 10? Am I reading this right? Or is it just repeating the same 10? What is happening? Yeah, we'll plug in... Oh, plug in a USB and dump it. Hold on. How do you copy files on with the command prompt on Windows? Because if we could, in theory, I guess, copy to a flash drive. Disk part list of all would likely be the quickest way. There's no disk part. Oh, sorry. I forgot. You guys can't see what I'm seeing. I tried disk part. It don't do nothing. PowerShell win init. Should trigger a blue screen? I'm not going to trigger a blue screen. It takes a while to get the command prompt back up when it crashes. Copy. X copy. Run an exe. I think the executables have to be signed. It's just copy. Is it literally just copy? Wrong. Oh, wait, no, the syntax is incorrect. Hold on, so that means it's right. Cool. Oh, boy. You guys are gonna see my true Windows skills today. System info, okay. Don't do nothing. I wish there was like a list of... What if we go to System 32? Hold on. Let's see what we can do. Run explorer.exe. Oh, shoot. That's not right. We have System 32. Oh my god, the temptation to delete System 32 from the Xbox is very high right now. Oh my goodness. Echo Path. Oops, Echo. TDK, tools. Open SSH. Huh? That's interesting, actually. I'm gonna write that one down. Where was that? That was down here. Okay. ADB. That'd be kind of funny. Okay, hold on. I want to find a way to list the partitions. Because I know there's a bunch. What was I doing? Oh, I was looking at, System 32. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. There's not much in there. Okay. Hold on, chat. You know the thing I said at the beginning of the stream? A lot of you were not here for this. But I have a rumbly tummy today. Hold on. We're gonna switch to a commercial break real quick. I gotta find a commercial to play for you guys. Gotta find a good one. There was one I found the other day that was very strange. Here it is. I gotta find... I'm trying to throw it into the YouTube on repeat thing. So you guys can just endlessly watch this commercial real quick. Here we go. All right, I'll be right back, chat.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Oh, good. Really good. I'm almost done.
Good.
What?
Get the power to get things done. This Dimension desktop has an Intel Pentium 4 processor with HD technology, and it's yours for the amazing price of $899 after instant savings. Plus, get a free memory upgrade and a free hard drive upgrade. Other desktops start at $499. Call or go online soon. These offers end September 29. Get more out of multimedia with Dell, and get more out of now. Dell PCs use Intel Pentium 4 processors with HD technology.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Oh, good. Really good. I'm almost done.
Good.
What?
Get the power to get things done. This Dimension desktop has an Intel Pentium 4 processor with HD technology, and it's yours for the amazing price of $899 after instant savings. Plus, get a free memory upgrade and a free hard drive upgrade. Other desktops start at $499. Call or go online soon. These offers end September 29th. Get more out of multimedia with Dell, and get more out of now. Dell PCs use Intel Pentium 4 processors with HD technology.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Oh, good. Really good. I'm almost done.
Good.
What?
Get the power to get things done. This Dimension desktop has an Intel Pentium 4 processor with HD technology, and it's yours for the amazing price of $899 after instant savings. Plus, get a free memory upgrade and a free hard drive upgrade. Other desktops start at $499. Call or go online soon. These offers end September 29th. Get more out of multimedia with Dell, and get more out of now. Dell PCs use Intel Pentium 4 processors with HD technology.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Okay, enough of that. Sorry if you're just now joining us. My stomach is so right now. So there's gonna be a couple breaks. Hopefully we did not lose everybody. Alright, back to the crime jazz. We lost like 120 people. What, you don't like Dell? 120 people don't like Dell. Ridiculous. I'm on the wrong drive. You're actually correct. I'm on S, but maybe that's stands for system. I don't know. We'll take a look though. Let's see. What happens if we try C? Oh, we have a C. Interesting. So what's S? Whoa! I found the real System 32. Or, the real Windows directory, I guess. Whoa! Alright. I found some executables. Hold on. This window size is really not working in our favor. Whatever, you guys don't really need to see the timestamps on the files, I guess. Chat's gonna look a little funky. But that's okay. Actually, hold on, we can fix that. can give chat a little background here. There we go. Okay, so let's go to the top. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so this is a lot of DLLs, which is not... I mean, it's interesting, but we can't do anything with it. appverif.exe. Wait, WSL is there? You guys saw WSL? Hold on. Let me go back down. I'm glad that I have a G502 right about now. WSL. You guys are right. Huh. What is that doing in there? What if we tried to run that? Oops. What? What do you mean? It was just there. Oh, it's in H. It's just sim-linked here. Okay. So we'll do this. What? The system can't find the drive. Why is it H? What does that mean? There is no H. I don't know. That is weird. That is really weird. No, you shouldn't need to do this because it's Windows. Yeah, you can't do that. Okay. C's merge between lots of other partitions as well because some EXEs are symlinks. You'll have to go to their full path first. A lot are invalid symlinks. Yeah, I guess that's what we're figuring out. Well, there's other stuff in here. Let's go back to the top. This is a gigantic list. Goodness. What if I just make it smaller? Oh wait, I went too far. There we go. Can you filter output on Windows? WMIC logical disk? I doubt I even have it. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff that's just not here. This is a netcat session, AOBVR. So it's kind of like SSH. Yeah, like grep. That's what I'm looking for. I want to filter it just by executables. Because I don't want to see all these DLLs. I don't care. Windows. Terminal, filter, output. Dir asterisk. Okay, I'll try that. Ah, there you go. This is why I needed you guys. Like, unironically. I mean, I can look all this stuff up, but it's gonna take forever. I'm actually not that well versed in navigating windows around in the terminal. Bytecode generator. Cast service. It has its own command.exe. I guess that's what we're in right now, so I guess that makes sense. Das Host. Developer tool service. Excuse me, Xbox? Excuse me? Microsoft Xbox security clip? Reg.exe? Huh. What does Reg do? Cool. Remote POS worker. That's on M. Run exe helper. Okay. Nice. Did anything happen on the screen? I don't expect anything to happen on the screen of the Xbox. Can you direct her to a game disc? I don't know. Let me go grab a disc and put it in real quick. Okay, I just put in Halo 5. We shall see at some point if we can get into that. Imagine if we could finally play Halo 5 on PC. Find Xbox One product key. What was that one dev thing? Dev Tools Launcher. Is it really, cap sensitive? What? Alright. I guess it's not that it can't find it, it just can't execute it, I guess? That music's probably way too loud now, isn't it? I forgot to turn it down. There we go. Are M and L real partitions on the system? Let's see. M's real. Another Windows directory. L is not. Are you admin? I actually don't know. Winning it. Winning it exists apparently, but you can't run it. Shoot. Whoa. That was the wrong one. Let's see. Who am I? Nothing. I want to go back to C. Did we see PowerShell up there? Is PowerShell in System 32? System 32 is just a bunch of folders. Or Windows is just a bunch of folders. Access is denied. So we're not admin. Okay. Well, it's been more than like 2 seconds. So hold on. I'm sorry, chat, but I have to do it to you again. I don't want to do this either, but it must be done.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Oh, good. Really good. I'm almost done.
Good.
What?
Get the power to get things done. This Dimension desktop has an Intel Pentium 4 processor with HT technology, and it's yours for the amazing price of $899 after instant savings. Plus, get a free memory upgrade and a free hard drive upgrade. Other desktops start at $499. Call or go online soon. These offers end September 29. Get more out of multimedia with Dell, and get more out of now. Dell PCs use Intel Pentium 4 processors with HT technology.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Oh, good. Really good. I'm almost done.
Good.
What?
Get the power to get things done. This Dimension desktop has an Intel Pentium 4 processor with HT technology, and it's yours for the amazing price of $899 after instant savings. Plus, get a free memory upgrade and a free hard drive upgrade. Other desktops start at $499. Call or go online soon. These offers end September 29. Get more out of multimedia with Dell, and get more out of now. Dell PCs use Intel Pentium 4 processors with HT technology.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Oh, good. Really good. I'm almost done.
Good.
What?
Get the power to get things done. This Dimension desktop has an Intel Pentium 4 processor with HT technology, and it's yours for the amazing price of $899 after instant savings. Plus, get a free memory upgrade and a free hard drive upgrade. Other desktops start at $499. Call or go online soon. These offers end September 29. Get more out of multimedia with Dell. And get more out of now. Dell PCs use Intel Pentium 4 processors with HD technology.
A straight beats a flush, right?
How the bills coming?
Oh, good. Really good.
My goodness. Chat, literally all I ate today was a chicken Caesar salad and some steak. That's it. I'm not having a good time. Anyway, those of you that haven't left us, what were we doing? Find the Xbox product key. Find the product key. How do we get the product key? No task kill. No task list. There's not a lot that works, I'm realizing. At least from Windows. Have we tried the flash drive yet? No, I still got the disc in too. During to Halo 5. I don't know the name of the drive though. I can't get the product key because I think, yeah, WMIC is no good. I can't use net. Can't do much. Am I gonna make a video on this? When there's more to do, I'll make a video on this. But right now it's literally just a terminal. Nothing else. So when there's more to actually do, then yes. It's T. It's not T. I don't know what T is, but it's not T. Why does every single partition have a Windows directory? That's so weird. Like a user. Okay. There is no disk part. We tried this earlier. There's no disk part. Let's just see. Oh, Camden Bowden. He's here. He's with us in the room right now. Installing SteamOS on Camden Bowden's 3D printed engine. I'd watch it. Thank you for the gifted sub. Or membership. Or whatever it is. Okay. I don't think... is there any other System 32s on these partitions? Yeah, there's like a bunch of System 32s. I just don't know why. There's a Java folder for Minecraft. Psych, it's only Bedrock. That's what we should do. We should run Minecraft Java on the Xbox. Try D drive for DVD. There's no D. I guess we'll just try every letter. All right, we got a Q. Or not. All right. W. No. E. No. R. No. T. We got a T. Doesn't look like Halo to me. Oh. I should probably plug my flash drive in, too. Okay, hold on. Let me plug in this flash drive. Put something very identifiable on it. Oh, wait. Hold on. Not this flash drive. That's a Ubuntu installer. We're not ready for that yet. Cactus Duper. I've seen your message. I'm gonna open it. Let's see. Hold on. Let me get my flash drive formatted real quick. I'll put something completely heinous on it. Connecting to virtual disk service. Come on. Oh, it's because I'm... Oh, it's because I'm cloning a drive right now. It's not happy with me. Alright, let me find a flash drive that has something on it real quick. That I don't have to add anything to. You think it could see the Windows 11 installer? Probably. I think it's just FAT32. Okay, if we see a setup.exe, we'll know that we're in the flash drive. Okay, I see. I see, chat. I see. I see the drive letters. Just give me 1 second. Give me 1 moment. There's a lot happening. Oh. You guys already have Xbox One games running on Windows? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Alright. That's sick. Cool. Anyway. A couple people in the chat want to know how I did this. If it's too late if you want to do this. But if you go and look up Modded Warfare on YouTube or Mr. Mario 2011, they talk about some of this stuff in more detail. It's too late because you have to install some game that's gone from the store now, but yeah, good luck. Might be doable in the future for not the way I did it. Anyway, none of these say which letter a flash drive or the DVD drive is going to be on, so we're just going to restart. Alright, no queue. I got Halo 5 in there, and I got a flash drive in there. And we'll see if we can find either of them. No queue. Okay. W. Nothing. E. Oh. E is the EFI partition for the flash drive. Because remember, I put a USB installer flash drive in there. Or a Windows installer flash drive. Okay. So F, maybe? No? Okay. T. Oh, pfft, oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's going on now? That's not good. Oh. Uh-oh. It's done broke. Does this work on the series consoles? Yes, actually. But you had to have prepped your Xbox ahead of time. I think we lost our remote terminal session. Oh, nope, there it goes. That was scary. Anyway. No P. I think we were already in S earlier. Oh, here's the flash drive. Look at that. All right, can we run the Windows installer? What will happen? I think it's running somewhere. There's no, like, desktop, really, on the Xbox. So I think it's just running somewhere. There's no way we can, like, interface with it. But I think I am officially the first person on the earth to run the Windows 11 installer on the Xbox One. Technically. Alright. Well, that's cool. Alright. Put disk part on a USB stick. Now that we know where it's gonna go to D. Yeah, we'll try that. Is this part in System 32? I kind of want to just copy my entire System 32 from my PC onto this flash drive, but that would take a little bit of time. Maybe I'll do that once I copy disk part over. There's a lot of stuff in here. I think everything that's signed by Microsoft should work. Which is a lot of stuff, actually. Wow, System 32 is huge. This part there. Oh, this part needs admin. We'll see. We'll see if this works. Not hopeful. Although setup, I think setup ran. The Windows 11 setup .exe ran, and that's admin. Okay, let's see. Hold on, a chat member was saying something about Halo. It's gone. You guys are too fast. It's gone. Something about Halo being encrypted. I'm not gonna run setup from sources folder. It's not gonna do anything. Okay. Anyway. We now have disk part. What? It's right there. It's literally right there. I don't understand. Halo's on drive T. He said Halo should be on T, however it's encrypted. The game disk isn't mounted. If comms rv host.exe isn't running. Well, that sucks. Unfortunate. There is... I don't even think there's a setup.exe in here. Oh, I guess there is. Alright, fine. I'll try it. Are you happy? Well, I don't want to put task list on the flash drive because look, we have, oops, we have disk part, but it doesn't do anything. It says I can't even find it. Okay, I've been told there is a way to browse the game files, Halo's game files. But it's a little more than I think we can do right now. Do you have Netcat? Yeah, that's how we're connected to it. DWM to start a desktop. I highly doubt that. Rename disk part to what? Well, that didn't do anything. I'm looking at the HDMI that it's connected to, and it didn't do anything either. Rename disk part. What do you mean, rename disk part? Is there a... is there a rename command on Windows? I sure hope there is. Transfer disk part to C System 32. That might work. Oh, rename it. I see. Dot backslash will not do anything. This is not Linux or PowerShell. See? Alt tab. Is it? It's rem. Okay, rem. To gamer. It did not work. Unless I ran it backwards. Oh, did I use the wrong slash? Wait, what? Use wine. This doesn't... Oh. Okay, I've been wrong on stream before. I'll be wrong again. Either way, it still can't find it. Dude, I'm being told so... Oh, remove? Oh, oops. That would make sense. You guys are just screaming at the chat window right now. It's going real fast, guys. I'm trying. Gamer.exe. Has it been done? It has. Okay. It just can't do it. No power config. Those of you who are just joining us, this is a remote terminal session to the Xbox One, and it was done from an exploit that has recently been released by Carrot Cake. If you want to learn more, go ahead and look up Modded Warfare on YouTube. He's got some videos about it. Why does it... it's just like pretending that gamer.exe is not real. Because that, like, recognizes its existence. It's like you're lying. It's not true. The only drive with write privilege is S. That's so weird. There's no... I don't think there's an Explorer. There's no Explorer. I would love to run PowerShell. I would love to run PowerShell. Okay, hold on. I'm going to transfer the entirety of my System32 folder from my PC to a flash drive real quick. Because I think that would be a smart thing to do. And we can just mess around in there. Just see what works. No PS. Okay, this is probably going to take some time. Copy my System32. About 35 minutes. That's brutal. That's 20,000 files. Remove exe. I did that. I did that. Oh, we're not in D anymore. Gamer. See, it doesn't work. I don't know why. It's too new. I need the Windows 10 version of the files. I don't know. Start. It's just pretending like it's not there. What if we copied? What if we copied it somewhere else? Where should we put it? Hold on, we'll rename it. Okay, and then we'll copy it back. Oh, it's write protected. That's right. Someone said there was one that wasn't write protected. I think it was S. Yeah, okay. I mean, this is like an empty-ass System32, though. I don't know, dude. It just won't do it. Oops. Nothing. There's no DISM. Help. Nope. I just don't think we can... If it's just flat out saying it can't see it, I don't think there's any way to launch it. I don't know why. Rename it to setup? I don't think that's going to do anything. I'll try. It just pretends like it's not there. SFC scan now. Move to the root of S, I suppose. Nope. It's missing so much. I mean, it makes sense. Nope, no run as. Use Windows 10 System 32 files. I don't think that would matter. I really don't. I mean, either way, I don't have access to them right now because I actually don't have a Windows 10 computer just like installed lying around, surprisingly, to pull them from. I'm copying the 11 files currently, but it's taking a long time. Hold on, let me switch to a faster flash drive for this. It's just taking way too long. Okay, we'll copy it to the new one. Copy. Okay, that's a lot faster. That'll be done in like 1 minute. I'm not gonna run format volume. I will not do this. Oh yeah, I forgot about IP config. Aw, no IP config. I can't net. There's no net. Oh, I do have net, but I can't use it. And there's no run as. Put it in place of a file that gets executed. I don't think I can do that. Not a lot is writable. Only S is writable. And S is the settings partition, console settings data. Okay, I'm gonna go back to X. CD apps. Oops. Pff, every time. What is all this? Ads launcher. Delete. Edge stable. Delete. msedge.exe. Oh, I forgot that now that we have the flash drive, I can actually copy stuff back to the flash drive. And then launch it on my PC and we can see what happens. Should we try to launch? Well, Edge is stupid. Nah, screw Edge. I want to find something else to launch. What is Sapphire? Hold on. What are you guys saying? Wait, you say WinVer's in here? No. Try putting Chrome on it. Wish I could just give everybody here access to this terminal. For those of you saying to replace MS Edge with Command, there's no, like... I don't understand it super well, but I'm pretty sure that you can't just, like, run just, like, a normal Windows desktop GUI app. Just, like, on... It's not gonna just, like, show up as a window on the Xbox. Copy dashboard. Yeah, that would be good. Dashboard would be good. Where was the dashboard? Was it... It wasn't just called dashboard. Console. Am I just not seeing it? Because dashboard would be pretty fun. Oh, X dash launcher? Maybe that's it. Console support.exe. That's the only executable. Well, hold on. Why don't we just copy this whole directory? Okay, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Hold on. Okay, we tried these. They just flat out don't work. These are just weird. I don't really care anymore. This worked. Okay, so copy Windows 11 System 32 to it and see what happens. What is launchable? What? Okay, so we're gonna try this next, and then after that, I want to do the reverse. Copy Xbox apps to Windows and try to launch them. I think that would be interesting. Okay, so my System 32 is done copying. So let me go and plug that into the Xbox. Okay, flash drive is in. Hopefully it's still on... What was it? I think it was on D. Ooh, oh, not anymore. Alright, we're gonna go on a hunt. Time to find where it mounted the flash drive. Because it's not D this time. We love that. Okay, it's not Q. It's not W. E. R. T. Nope. Y. Nope. U. Nope. I. O. Ah! It did the thing again. Hold on. Oh, there's a prompt on the Xbox. Hold on. It was asking me if I want to use it for media or games, and I had to say, media. The device is not ready. Could that be it? Huh. Every script we say gets copied to the terminal. That would be a disaster. Okay, it might be O, but it's not working, so. No, it's not S. Oh, wait, D's here now. Oh, it did go back to D. Ah, you can see what was on this flash drive. This is actually for an upcoming video. Anyway, I did copy my System 32 here. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, so we've got the entirety of a regular System 32 from Windows 11 here. Everything. So what are we trying first, chat? This part, I guess. Wow. How could you do this to me? Is it just messing with me? These are things that are in here. Like run as is here. Okay, I guess it's just refusing to see. Well, that's lame. What was the PowerShell? It's literally just PowerShell. PowerShell. Nope. That sucks. I don't like it. WinVer. It just can't. It just can't run anything in here. Maybe add it to path. I don't know how to add it to path. From the, well, I know how to do it with the, in Windows. I don't know how to do it from a terminal, though. Desktop, please. There is no desktop. There's no desktop. Nope. System cannot find. That's so weird. Tab doesn't autocomplete on here. It just literally tabs. Oh, did I? No, I didn't, chat. No, I didn't. Either way, it doesn't work. Wait, I'm using... Yeah, you're right. I did screw it up. Still doesn't work. It's just lying. Set. Well, we couldn't... Whoa. Whoa, hold on. What did I just do? Wait, why does set work all of a sudden? Set didn't work earlier. Wait, hold on. Oh. I swear I tried set earlier. Huh. Okay. Wow. Okay. Computer name equals Xbox One X. I can probably change that and it'll show up differently on my network. Interesting. Auxiliary drive Y. Log drive N. OS Windows NT. Number of processors 8. We can just download more processors if we set this to 16. System drive C, settings drive S, system root C, Windows, system temp. Temporary drive T, test scratch drive D, tools drive J, J tools. Username user manager 0. User profiles in U users. Interesting. Just ver. Oh, hey, look. Something worked. Finally. Yeah. Okay. Was ver even in here? No. Which means it's pulling that from something in our path. So the path. I mean, is there... How do I edit this, though? because I believe C is write protected. Because let me try this. I can't edit the path variable. Oops. So say I wanted to copy normalize.dll. C Windows System 32. Oh, there's already that in there? No, don't do that. Never mind. We'll choose something else. Copy daemon 347.exe. What? It's just, it like can't see executables. It just thinks they're not there. What about the 7-zip installer? 7-zip 2407.msi. So yeah, see, we can't write to C. But interestingly, it does see the MSI file. Run Notepad. There's no Notepad. Windows does not have a... I mean, is there a command prompt based text editor in Windows? I don't think so. I can change it from a command set. Hold on. So in theory, what we can just do that, yeah? Is this correct? Typo. System 32. I misspelled what? Oh, I wrote Dame. Oopsie. You're correct. D-A... Wait, D-A-E. Oh. Haha, silly. Either way. Well, okay. So my theory that it can't see executables is wrong. My theory that you guys have that I'm a complete idiot is correct. But did I have that right before? This. Oh. Fat fingered it, and now all of D is in the path. Wonderful. Great. That's fantastic. Yep, there it is. All of D is in the path. Okay, well that seems to work, so that's good. So, what does that do for us? Can we now run disk part? It just can't see it. It simply cannot. Winget cannot work. We cannot use Winget. There is no internet. You could try to change your exe subsystem from 32 to Xbox. Probably that is the reason system cannot find the file. Yeah, I'm thinking something along those lines. It's just seeing that it's a Windows one and it's like, nah. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I could speculate on why it's not working, but it's gonna be wrong. I just guaranteed. Okay. Copy UWP apps from your PC. I don't think there's a way I can do that just with the terminal. Like, I don't think executing a UWP app from the terminal would get it to run on the on the Xbox's screen. I don't think so, at least. Oh, there's so many chat messages coming in. How many people are tuned in right now? 1,100? Oh! My goodness. I'm not even, like, accomplishing anything, and you guys are just here. Hold on. I need to turn slow mode on a little faster. I can't read anything. Task list. Cannot. You need to relaunch command for paths to change. Oh. Well, no, because look at this. I can just put in... I can just say task list. And it's looking in dsystem32. That's not our current directory, which means that it's reading that from path. It has to be. Change it to MSI. That's not going to work. MSI is a completely different thing. XFAT versus NTFS. That shouldn't do anything either. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. We're going to copy the System32 from the Xbox. Copy System32 to the Xbox System32. I'm going to put the full path just so it knows what I'm talking about here. Nice. Is it mad because I didn't make the directory first? Is that a thing? Yeah. Okay. Hey, there we go. We are dumping System32. All right. Danny Nara, that is exactly what we are doing. All right, let me plug this flash drive back into the PC. All right, let me set up OBS so you guys can kind of see this here. Okay. The chat window dipped out. Hold on. Here we go. Okey doke. So this is now System32. Whoa, hello. From the Xbox. There's a lot here. There's a lot here. Let me zoom in, actually. Can't see much. Whoa, that's not right. How do I zoom? I'm a real streamer. with 1,000 people watching me not know how to zoom in OBS. Cool. Hey, there we go. There we go. Wow, there's a lot of people in the chat. There's a lot of people in the chat. You can change post to exploit C with whatever code you want to run as system. Oh. That's useful. Try dumping the Xbox One files online. That is a one-way ticket to getting sued. GitHub says if you would like to play around with running code as system, you can put your code in post exploit function. Okay. So I can do that, but then we're not going to be able to see it, I don't think. Because it's not going to run it in our command window. Because this is after that. It's just going to run it on the Xbox silently, and we're not going to be able to see anything. Install CrowdStrike. See if we can blue screen the Xbox. Now that I think about it, actually, I don't know if there's anything I even want to run from System 32 on the Xbox. I kind of wanted to transfer over the UWP apps. I don't really know what there is to do in here. Oh, it's got its own CMD. Look at that. The system cannot find message text for message number in the message field for application. So I've just got a really screwed up command prompt here. Very nice. Con host. Interesting. Make it give your user admin. I don't have the intelligence at this time currently to do that. Echo? Yeah, Echo works. Let's just edit. Yeah, System 32 was a stupid folder to copy. DevTools launcher. That did nothing. Now Microsoft has my IP. Very cool. What is this PNG? Oh! Excuse me? I really like that EA Play is baked into System 32 on the Xbox. That's so cool. I love that. Install WannaCry on it? That'd be funny. Yes, Echo works. Game Pass Splash. There it is. Game input. Home stream agent. I should really not just be randomly clicking on executables. I might get virus. Licensing diag. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I really should not be running that. Okay. Oh, it made a cab file. Okay. Cool. This is spooky scary. I should not be running this on my main PC. This is such a bad idea. Oh. There it is. Oh, content process. So that's what that stands for, huh? Nice, it didn't run. Isn't that the old logo? The really one. The really old one. The really one. Microsoft Xbox security clip. Cool. Hold on. I should really be dumping all those UWP apps real quick, because that's probably going to take some time. So while we look through this, I can have it be doing that. Okay, so we will... Where did we find all those UWP apps? I don't remember. They were in... X? I think it was X. Yeah, X apps. Okay, so we'll copy all these. What was it? It was copy... X... Oop. Oh, I need to make the directory first. Hold on. D... Okay, make dir Xbox apps. Okay. And then copy X apps to D Xbox apps. What? One file copied? What do you mean? Huh? Oh, do I have to... Why did it do that? No. Did I get this wrong? Copy S? No. Need to use robocopy. Does not copy folders. Ah. Cool. That's very nice. Well, I don't want to copy just the files. I need the whole directory for the apps, for each app. Would this? I don't think this would do it. Yeah, no, that doesn't do it. Xcopy? Does Xcopy work? No. Does anyone know how we can revert the path variable to not have D in it anymore? Because I think that's just causing us issues now. Wow, the stream delay is pretty bad. Copy the entire Xdir. I can't. I can only copy files. How bad is the stream delay? Oh my goodness. Control Z. Okay, I'm gonna use this in the... To gain admin, use this in the post exploit. Is that the username? Just username, all caps? Hold on. We can't use Xcopy until we can fix the path. Hold on. Maybe, let me look at the delay real quick. It's like really bad. I don't know if I can edit the latency once it's started. Edit stream latency YouTube after stream started. Hold on. I don't know if I can change the latency after the stream's already started. That is unfortunate. Stream settings. It's horrific. It's horrifically bad. It's actually so bad that I'm just gonna restart the stream. Okay. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to go back and refine the stream real quick. Just go to the channel. It'll pop up in a second. I'm gonna fix the latency. It's so bad.